Ready, go.
Cat and rat. Then the cat is in a bed. Then the rat has a map. Then the rat is on the mat. Is Nan in? Then the rat taps and taps and taps. Nan is not in. Is in it Nan's wig? Then the rat has Nan's wig on. Nan's wig is big. Is it Nan's hat with a pin? Then the rat has Nan's hat on. Nan's hat is not big. Nan's hat fits. Then the rat has ham in a pan. Then the rat has jam in a cat. Then the rat has 6 big fat fig in a bin. I can nap. Then the rat naps in Nan's hat. Then the cat is in. Then the cat is mad. Then the cat taps on the hat. It is Pam. Hi, Nan. I have a hat on. Oh, is fit you, Pam. You can have it.
Okay, good job.